Children, I am taking the revision of the chapter 4. Place value is the chapter name, and I already explained you what is the place value. Place value in a number, the place value, or we can say the local value. Just remember, the place value and the local value are the same. Don't confuse in that. So, what is the place value or the local value in the number? Place value and the local value in the number is a non-zero digit is the value of this digit according to its position in the number, according to its position in the number. Here I am taking the example in the 24,673, and we have to find the place value of 6. So just see what is the position of 6 here. 6 is on the 100 place, and after the 100, say before the 6 we have two digits. On one is the 1 place and one is the 10 place. So just treat it as a 0, and 6 is on the 3rd place. So in the place of 3 and 7 we will put the 0. So we will write the 0 0 in the place of 7 and 3, and the 6 as the last. So in the 24,673, the place value of 6 is 600. Similarly, in the this one 3,25,648, the local value, what I told you, place value and the local value are the same. So 3,25,648, the local value of 5 is, where the 5? Here the 5. So after 5, how many digits? 3. So we will put the 30 in place of 3 digits. So and 5 as it is. So 5 and 30. So in 3,25,648, the local value of 5 is 5,000. Now I am taking one more example with the same place value. Write the smallest number which is just more than 9,99,999. Just more than, that means we are adding. Just more than. What is just more than? We are adding. So write down the 9, do the rough work, 9,99,999, and plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10, 0 carry over 1, 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 9 plus 1, 10. So that is 10 lakh. So just more than 9,99,999, that is 10 lakh. So in that manner you will do the sum of these 10. Children, I am taking one more example of the same chapter, place value. Here we have to find the difference in the place value of 2 sevens in the number 8,72,574. Just find out the place value of 7. Place value of 7 are 70 and the 70,000. And the difference will be 70,000 minus 70. Do the rough work, 70,000 minus 70. That is 69,930. So in that manner you can do the sum number 6. Children, I am taking question number 2 of exercise 16a. Express the following fraction as percent. And the fraction are 65 upon 80, and we will write the in percent. 65 upon 80 as percent equal to 65 upon 80 into 100. 0 to 0 cancel, and 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 65 into 5, that is 325 upon 4. Either this answer is correct, or you can write in a big fraction, that is 81 1 upon 4. Both the answer is correct, whether you write 325 upon 4 or 81 1 upon 4. So in that manner you can do the sum of these types. Children, are taking again the revision of 16a exercise question number 3. Express as percent, and what we have to express as percent, that is 0.07. So when we have to express as percent, we multiply 100% in that. So 0.7 multiply 100, that is 70%. Next question is 4. Convert into fractions in their lowest term. So first change the fraction. 85% equal to 85 upon 100, we have to divide it by 100. and now we will change into the lowest terms. Lowest term, that means there is no any number that can divide the both 85 and 100. So divide 85 and 100, we can divide it by 5, I think. So 85 divided by 5 we get 17, and 100 divided by 5 we get 20. So 17 upon 20 is the answer of that question. Now taking question number 5, express as decimal fraction. Decimal fractions have to divide by 100. So 95% equal to 95 upon 100, that is 0 decimal 95. So in that manner you can do other part of this question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. Children, I am taking question number 1 and 8 of the exercise 16B in the revision. So here is given rupees 5, have to write rupees 5 as a percent of rupees 25. So how will you write rupees 5 as a numerator, 25 rupees as a denominator, and into 100. So that is 25, 4 is 100 divided, and 4 5 is 20. So rupees 5 as a percent of 25 is 20%. So in that manner you can do other sum of these types. And one more sum I am taking, that very important sum usually come in your exam. So that is percentage of alloy, in a alloy of copper and zinc. The copper and zinc are mixed together and that are making the alloy, and in that copper, percentage of copper is 45%. So what will be the percentage of zinc? 100% minus 45, that is 55%. And the given the weight of alloy is 20 kg, and we have to find the weight of zinc. So percentage of weight is percentage of zinc is 55%. So weight of zinc will be 20 into 55 upon 100. 25 is 100 and 5, 11 is the 55. So 11 kg will be the weight of zinc in the alloy. So in that manner you can do the sum number 8 and the sum number 1. Other sums of this type you can do with the help of this sum. Here I am taking more example from 16C, that is in a village given original population is 25,000, population decrease equal to 12%, and we have to find out the population after decrease. So population after decrease will be 25,000, the original population. 1 minus how much percent decrease? 12%. So 12, 1 minus 12, minus we have taken because the population is decreased. If it increase, that will take the plus sign. So 1 minus 12 upon 100, and when we sold it, 100 was the 100 minus 12, 100 was the 100 minus 12 gives the 88. So 88 upon 100 we got from 1 minus 12 upon 100. Now 20 to 20 cancel from the numerator to denominator. Now 250 have to multiply 88 and we get 22,000 as a product of 250 and 88. So 22,000 population is after decreasing. So in that manner you can do the sum, or these type of sums with the help of this you can do it. Children, I am taking some more sum from the exercise 18A, in which we have to write the this form into following statement in algebraic form. So first is the sum of 8 and x is equal to y. The sum of 8 and x is equal to y. So 8 plus x equal to y. Now the one more sum I am taking, z decrease by 3x is equal to y. Z decrease by 3x, that means z minus 3x equal to y. So write the equal sign and then equal to y. Now one more sum, 12 times of x, that is 12 into x, is less than 5z. Is less than is denoted by this sign, less than 5z. So write the 5z. So in that manner you will do the other sum of this question number 1, exercise 18A. Children, I am taking some more sums in which we have to write the algebraic form into the statement. So how can we write? Just see, 3x plus 8 equal to 15. That means the sum of 3x and 8 is equal to 15. So in the statement you will write. Next is 5 divided by z equal to 5. So write down the 5 divided by z is equal to 5. Very easy to do. So you can do in that manner. The next third is b plus 7a is less than 21. So same you have to write down the sum of b and the sum of b and 7a is less than 21. So you can do the other part of this question of exercise 18a with the help of this questions.